Hey space explorers! Welcome to Kiyan Playhouse, where we journey through the wonders of the universe. From planets to stars, galaxies, and beyond, we've got it all. Today, we're diving into some of the coolest facts about our space. Rocket. A rocket is a powerful vehicle that helps astronauts travel to space. It burns fuel to launch into the sky. Astronaut. An astronaut is a brave person who travels and works in space. The first astronaut to walk on the moon was Neil Armstrong. Galaxy. This is a galaxy. A galaxy is a huge collection of stars, planets, and even dust. Our galaxy is called the Milky Way. Black hole. A black hole is super strong and pulls everything in, even light. It forms when a huge star collapses. Comet. A comet is made of ice and dust and orbits the sun. Fun fact, their tails always point away from the sun. Planet. A planet is a big ball of rock or gas that orbits a star like the sun. There are 8 planets in our solar system. Meteor. A meteor is a space rock that burns up when it enters Earth's atmosphere. And when you see a bunch of them in the sky at once, it's called a meteor shower. Telescope. A telescope helps us see faraway objects in space, like distant planets or galaxies. It helps scientists learn more about the universe. Meteorite. A meteorite is a space rock that makes it all the way through Earth's atmosphere and lands on the ground. Orbit. Orbit means to move in a circular path around a planet or star. The Earth orbits the Sun, and the Moon orbits Earth. Satellite. A satellite is a small spacecraft that orbits a planet or moon. Some satellites help us communicate, while others take pictures of the Earth. Light year. A light year is the distance light travels in 1 year. It's a way to measure huge distances in space. Nebula. A nebula is a giant cloud of gas and dust in space. Some nebulae are where new stars are born. Space station. A space station is a place where astronauts live and work while they're in space. It floats above Earth and orbits around the planet. Solar system. Our solar system is made up of the Sun and 8 planets that orbit it. The planets range from tiny Mercury to giant Jupiter. Supernova. A supernova is a huge explosion that happens when a star runs out of fuel and collapses. It's brighter than anything else in the sky. Meteor shower. A meteor shower happens when lots of meteors, or space rocks, burn up as they enter Earth's atmosphere. It's like a cosmic fireworks show. Asteroid. An asteroid is a rocky object that orbits the Sun, just like planets. Some are small, and some are huge. Solar eclipse. A solar eclipse happens when the Moon passes directly between the Earth and the Sun, casting a shadow on our planet. It's a rare and amazing event. Lunar eclipse. A lunar eclipse happens when the Earth blocks sunlight from reaching the Moon, causing it to appear red. Universe. The universe is everything around us. It's all the stars, planets, galaxies, and space in between. It's so big, we can't even imagine how far it stretches. Exoplanet. An exoplanet is a planet that orbits a star outside our solar system. There are thousands of exoplanets, and some might even have life. Spacecraft. A spacecraft is a vehicle that takes astronauts and scientists to space to explore new worlds. Hubble telescope. This is the Hubble Space Telescope. It orbits Earth and helps scientists take pictures of faraway stars, planets, and galaxies. Hubble has helped us see amazing things in space. Space suit. An astronaut wears a special suit to protect them from the dangers of space, like no air and extreme temperatures. Star. A star is a giant ball of gas that shines bright in the sky. Crater. A crater is a big hole on the surface of a planet or moon. Craters are made when space rocks crash into the surface. Mercury. This is Mercury, the closest planet to the Sun. It's really hot during the day, but super cold at night because it has no atmosphere to keep the heat in. Venus. Venus is the second planet from the Sun. It's super hot, even hotter than Mercury, because of its thick clouds trapping heat. Earth. This is Earth, the third planet from the Sun. Earth is special because it's the only planet we know where life exists. Mars. Mars is called the red planet because of its rusty color. It's the fourth planet from the Sun, and scientists are looking for signs of ancient life there. Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. It's made of gas and has the Great Red Spot, a giant storm that's been raging for centuries. Saturn. Saturn is famous for its stunning rings. It's the sixth planet from the Sun, and its rings are made of ice, rock, and dust. Uranus. Uranus is an ice giant that spins on its side. It's the seventh planet from the Sun and has a chilly blue color because of all the methane gas in its atmosphere. Neptune. Neptune is the farthest planet from the Sun. It's a cold, windy world with winds so fast they can reach speeds of over 1,000 miles per hour. Pluto. Pluto used to be the ninth planet from the Sun, but now it's a dwarf planet. It's super far from the Sun and very cold. Moon. The Moon is Earth's closest neighbor in space. It's the only other world humans have visited, with astronauts walking on its surface during the Apollo missions. Milky Way. The Milky Way is the galaxy we live in. It's made up of billions of stars, including our Sun. Aurora. An aurora is a colorful light show in the sky, caused by particles from the Sun. You can see them near the North and South poles. Cosmic ray. Cosmic rays are high-energy particles from space that travel across the universe. They're like the cosmic messengers of the universe. Comet tail. A comet is a ball of ice and dust that leaves behind a glowing tail as it moves through space. International Space Station. The International Space Station orbits Earth, where astronauts live and work, doing experiments and exploring space. Space Shuttle. A space shuttle is a spacecraft designed for the transportation of astronauts and cargo to and from orbit. It has reusable components and was used for missions such as deploying satellites.